She put exactly 14 eggs in an ice cube tray and left it in the freezer for 2 hours. When she saw what happened next, she decided to do the same thing every day. Did you know that you can freeze eggs? In fact, you can keep them longer by freezing them. The taste of frozen eggs is similar to the taste when they are thawed. So, grab more eggs when they are on sale or use them up when you have a lot about to expire too. How to freeze eggs. All you have to do is take an ice cube tray, crack the eggs and add them in it without using any kind of spray or oils. Next, you should place the tray into the freezer and freeze until the eggs are frozen solid, approximately 2 hours. Once they are frozen, you can remove the eggs from the container. In case they are stuck, let them sit in warm water for 1 minute and they will pop right out. Then, you can store them to a gallon-size freezer-safe bag and keep them up to a year. When you need them, simply let them stay at room temperature and you can use them in any recipe. For instance, you can use them for baking, breading chicken, scrambled eggs, and French toast. However, if you prepare recipes which require only egg whites or egg yolks, then consider freezing them already separated. Therefore, freeze the white into one ice cube spot and the yolk in another spot.